Good morning, friends. So today we have a question from ionic equilibrium. That is the question number 67. And question is related to solubilities. Okay, solubility product. So we have to determine the solubilities of silver chromate, barium chromate, and ferric hydroxide. Okay, and solubility products are given to us, right? So let us do first one. So first question is silver chromate. Okay, so silver chromate, its molecular formula is Ag2CrO4. Okay, so Ag2CrO4, when it is dissolved in water, it gives 2 Ag plus ions and 1 chromate ion, right? So let us say its solubility is S. Let us say S is the solubility of this salt in water. Okay, if S is the solubility, so that means Ag plus are 2S in the solution and chromate ions are S. Am I right? So now to write expression for KSP, that is solubility product, it is Ag plus ion concentration raised to power 2, CrO4 2 negative ion concentration raised to power 1. Okay, so Ag plus ions 2S raised to power 2 and S raised to power 1 means it is 4S cube. Okay, so what is S cube? It is KSP over 4. That implies S is equal to KSP over 4 raised to power 1 by 3. Okay, so KSP, what is KSP? KSP is 1.1 into 10 raised to power minus 12 for silver chromate and divided by 4. You can see KSP is 1.1 into 10 raised to power minus 12 for silver chromate. Okay, divided by 4 raised to power 1 by 3. Okay, so 10 raised to power minus 12 means it becomes 10 raised to power minus 4 outside. Now 1.1 over 4. So 1.1 over 4. So value is 1. Okay, 1.1 divided by 4. It is 0.275 into 10 raised to power minus 4. That is, sorry, this one is actually 275 into 10 raised to power minus 4. So that implies S is equal to, okay, cube root of this, na? So cube root of 0.275 is 0.65 into 10 raised to power minus 4. Okay, that implies this is the solubility of the salt. So we have to calculate silver ion concentration, molarities of individual ions. So Ag plus ion concentration is, yes, it is S 0.65 into 10 raised to power minus 4 molar. So it is 2S. So 2 into 0.65 into 10 raised to power minus 4. So it value comes out to be 1.30 into 10 raised to power minus 4 molar. Okay. Now chromate ion concentration. Chromate ion concentration is S. That is 0.65 into 10 raised to power minus 4 means we can write it as 6.5 in scientific notation into 10 raised to power minus 5 molar. That's it. Okay, same is the case with barium chromate and ferric hydroxide. See, in the barium chromate, barium chromate solid, it gives barium 2 plus and chromate ion. So if solubility is S, or take it as X, so it is X. What is X? Solubility of salt in water. Okay, so Ksp is equal to barium 2 plus ion concentration into chromate ion concentration, that is X into X, that is X raised to power 2. And what is Ksp? It is 1.2 into 10 raised to power minus 10. So X square equal to 1.2 into 10 raised to power minus 10. So that implies X is equal to 1.2 raised to power 1 by 2 into 10 raised to power minus 5. So what is square root of 1.2? Square root of 1.2 is 1.1. 11 is 121. So 1.21, that is 10 raised to power minus 5. So it is very simple. There is no tedious calculation. So barium ion concentration as well as chromate ion concentration is same. That is 1.1 into 10 raised to power minus 5. That's it. Okay. So this is B part. Now come to the C part. C part is ferric hydroxide. So ferric hydroxide in water gives 1 Fe3 plus ion and 3 OH negative ion. Okay, solubility of ferric ion is X, solubility of OH negative ion is 3x, because if solubility of salt is X, X is taken as solubility of, yes, salt, this salt in water. Okay, so in this way, what is Ksp now? Again, Fe3 plus ion concentration raised to power 1, OH negative ion concentration raised to power 3. So X into 3x raised to power 3, that is 27 x raised to power 4. Okay, so in this way x raised to power 4 is Ksp over 27. That implies x is equal to Ksp over 27 raised to power 1 by 4. So what is Ksp? Ksp is, yes, what is Ksp? 1.0 into 10 raised to power minus 38 divided by 27 and raised to power 1 by 4. So to get it out, means 10 raised to power, let us do one thing. Take it as 100 into 10 raised to power minus 40 over 27. Okay, so it comes out to be 100 over 27 raised to power 1 by 4 into 10 raised to power minus 10. Okay, so 100 over 27 raised to power 1 by 4. It is a tedious one. So I will use the calculator. You can do it by your own. 1.387 into 10 raised to power minus 10 molar. Okay, so what is concentration of Fe3 plus ion? Molarity of Fe3 plus ion is same, but molarity of OH negative ion is 3 times. That is 4.16 into 10 raised to power minus 10 molar. That's it. So that's all about this question. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do like, subscribe and share my channel. God bless you all. Happy learning. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.